We are EGW Utility Solutions, the premier solutions provider for underground utility professionals. Our company's purpose is solving problems, making connections, and serving others. We pride ourselves on conducting business with our core values always in mind. We're the one source for the solutions you need, including compliance services, equipment sales, equipment repair and calibration, and field services. Why do you need compliance services? Companies have to meet federal and state regulations. Proper training also reduces workplace incidents and helps protect life and property. There are many benefits to using third-party services, including process integrity, additional confidence in your workforce, and it allows time to be spent on other aspects of your business. And when that provider is EGW Utility Solutions, you're definitely in good hands. Our workforce is composed of seasoned veterans with decades of experience in the pipeline industry, and when it comes to compliance services, experience matters. Based throughout the United States, our staff can travel to provide services at the customer's site or at our state-of-the-art training facility in Carrollton, Texas. So what are the advantages of working with EGW compliance services? To start, we offer a wide range of solutions to help meet the industry's compliance goals and regulations. We're an industrial training services and Energy WorldNet approved provider. Our workforce is mobile, so we can come to you to provide services. Or your employees can receive training at our headquarters in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We provide compliance services solutions for utilities, contractors, and municipalities. Our bilingual trainers can provide support for your Spanish-speaking employees. We're experts in a variety of industry-approved tooling and techniques. And we offer a broad range of pipe joining certifications. Our team can assist you with creating your operator qualification and public awareness plans. And lastly, all current training sessions are conducted in compliance with current CDC recommended safety guidelines. So don't let your team fall behind because of a lack of proper training. Contact EGW Utility Solutions today for reliable and professional compliance services.